Hi, my name is John Teeters. I'm a high school math teacher. I teach, well, currently my assignment is AP statistics, standard level, and I teach all the geometry courses at our school. I work at a small international school in Israel currently. We have about 160 high school students in total, and so you get to know everybody fairly quickly when you work in a small school like that. The school in itself is K through 12, and so there's three divisions on the campus, and we share a couple of buildings like the theater arts building and the gymnasium, but each one of the divisions has their own separate building, and so my wife and I both get to work together at our location, and we really enjoy it. Previous position was in Tunisia, where we worked for a while, and then originally I started teaching in Oregon. So that's where I hail from. My technology strengths and weaknesses. I've been involved in technology for quite a while, and so I just know that a lot of it takes diving in with both feet, just jumping in with both feet and trying to make things work and trying to figure things out. And so I've figured out a lot of different programs over time, how to use them and how to make them beneficial for what I have to do. And not just in education, but working things with things like sound studios and desktop publishing, things like that. Had a lot of background in that, and then also in the classroom applications that are pretty typical. I feel pretty at ease with that. So that's my technology strengths. Some of my weaknesses are sometimes overlooking small details, which in computer apps that can really slow you down when you don't notice little details. I feel like a lot of times I can spend quite a bit of time trying to find a setting or little things that just slow me down, and sometimes that causes my greatest level of frustration. Digital tools that I have access to, pretty much anything that I would like to have access to. I have access through the science department for sensor measures and things like that. I have a smart board in my classroom. Our school is a one-to-one laptop high school, and so all the students are required to bring laptops to class, and I use them frequently for things that we're doing in class, and so I find that pretty available. Very easy to have access to digital cameras, to all kinds of other technology that would be beneficial in the classroom. And so anything that I have a need for, I find I can find pretty easily. My comfort level with Google Apps is, gosh, I just feel very comfortable with it because it's very often I find myself going to it. And so especially through the MIT program, I find my comfort level increasing with that. So that's my story. I look forward to working with you all this semester.